Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to get the car inspected, so I thought you might like to come along for the ride. There's the sticker for the safety check. There's another sticker up here. We're not going to Mazda because we're on a budget, so I've decided to take us over here to the Discount Auto Parts store. Let's go. Inside, my daughter and I filled out some paperwork. I handed them the 4 necessary documents. One was for tax, vehicle registration, vehicle information, and compulsory insurance paperwork. Plus a whole heap of cash. They only take cash, no credit cards. After that, my daughter and I wandered around the store waiting for the initial inspection. The mechanic called my daughter and I out to the car, and he said that the brakes didn't need to be replaced, which was good, but he was concerned about the oil leak from the engine. He was telling me that it was going to be a very expensive fix, but I figured that this is a pretty old car and that old cars leak. inspection is finished, and now it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, 2:30 in the afternoon. It's time to have lunch. I ordered the tonkatsu with rice, miso soup, and cabbage. A little bit horseradish. Some tonkatsu sauce. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like, and if you have any comments, please leave them down in the comment section, and have yourself a great day. See you next time.